Hi friends, welcome to DIY Crafty sewing channel. Now we are going to make very easy and beautiful flower. For that I am taking the ribbon piece which is having the width 2.5 centimeters and length 20 centimeters. Now give a heat touch up to the edges of the ribbon. Now take the needle with the thread. As shown in the video, give a running stitch to the ribbon. By keeping both the edges together, pull out the thread as shown here. With the help of the stitching, join both the edges. To prevent the empty hole in the center, give a second time running stitch as shown in the video. After completion of stitching, give a knot and trim out the extra thread. Now 1 inch flower is ready. For a half inch ribbon flower, I am taking the ribbon width which is having 1.5 cm and length 15 cm. Repeat this exactly same process for previously made flower. Now half inch flower is ready. To make the 1 cm flower, we are taking the ribbon piece which is having the width 1 cm and length 10 cm. Repeat the same process for previously made flower. Now 1 cm flower is ready. Now decorate the middle of the flower with the ornamental stones or beads. This flower is very easy to make. You can use this flower in different applications like handbag designs, headbands, hairbands, clips, tic tacs, dresses, etc. As per your wish, you can use it. If you like our video, please like it. If you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching our video. Take care. Have a great day.